Hello everyone, my name is Nayan Harshani. I am studying in LG Institute of Engineering and Technology. I am in third sem of Mechanical Engineering. Now I will explain about my COM project. So now I am going to tell about kinematic of machine. It is one of the branch of mechanical engineering which deal with the study of motion without considering of forces on it. In study of COM, various mechanisms are analyzed such as linkage, cams, gears, and sliders. COM is essential for designing and analysis of various mechanical systems. Now I would like to tell about my project, which is stamping mechanism using single slider. Single slider is a type of linkage that convert linear motion into rotary motion or rotary motion into linear motion. Single slider mechanism is commonly used to convert linear motion into rotary motion, such as engine, pumps, and reciprocating saws. In my project, I use this mechanism to convert linear motion into reciprocating motion. It consists of one slider which moves forward and backward in slot. The single slider is connected with all other links. Let's call them A, B, C, and D, and all links are connected to each other in line wise. When slider move forward, link A, C, and D reciprocate clockwise direction, while link B reciprocate in anti-clockwise direction. And while slider move in backward direction, all links reciprocate in opposite direction. I have fixed the die on link D. So when slider move in backward direction, it take ink from ink pad, and when it move in forward direction, die is stamped on the paper. Now I am going to show working of my project. So this was my project. Thank you.